Everything you need to know about general administration probate in Nevada. General admin probate is for all probates valued over $300,000. So when someone dies, they have an estate. If they don't have the proper estate plan in place, then their family will have to go to probate court in order to get their assets transferred to the rightful heirs. This is what probate is. In Nevada, there are different levels of probate depending on the value of the assets, the value of the estate. So if your deceased person is valued, their assets are valued over $300,000, then you are going to be in what's called general administration. General administration takes more time than the other lower value probates for obvious reasons, because there's more assets, so there's more to do. There's also different statutory requirements that take longer. For example, when we're in general administration, there's a creditor notice period, and creditors have 90 days from notice to file into the probate case. They file what's called a proof of claim so that they hopefully get paid out of the estate for any debt owed by the estate to them. So that already is a longer period than if you were in one of the lower levels of probate. So that's one thing that makes it take longer. The first thing you do in probate, regardless of what level you're in for Nevada, is you petition the court to appoint someone as the administrator of the estate. So when someone passes away, technically nobody else has control over them or their estate because they're no longer here. You have to get a court order appointing someone to be in control of the estate before anyone can do anything. So that's step one of probate. You've got to petition the court to appoint someone to be the administrator of the estate so they can go ahead and do what they need to do to close out the estate, get all the assets dealt with, sell them, sell the home if there's a home, right? Close the bank accounts, all those things. So step one, appoint someone. Step two, notice the creditors. That's always step two, right? You're going to notice the creditors, see who's out there. You notice for known and unknown creditors. Step three is going and taking care of all the assets of the estate if you're the administrator. And then finally, of course, at the end of probate, the court will close it and the court will order the money in the estate paid out in basically this order. The attorney needs to get paid, the administrator needs to get paid, creditors need to get paid, and then finally the heirs get paid. So that's what happens at the end of probate. Nobody's getting any money until the end, and probate can take a while. So if you're in general admin, you know, a lot of times it'll take, depending on the value of the assets and what kind of assets they are, you know, you're looking at 6 months to a year or longer, depending. If you want to talk about probate, please feel free to give my office a call. I do offer complimentary phone consults. You can book them directly online at my website, or you can call my office to schedule. My name is Sarah Ocampo from Ocampo Wiseman Law in Las Vegas.